Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's PyLover136 here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank 2002, the original. So in the last episode, we actually went and finished the game. So, that was fun. Beat Chairman Drek after quite a few tries. He was a bit of a pain. But we did finish it, and now we are on, this is what's called the challenge mode, and there are achievements related to it, but I will show them off when we get there. That being said, shouldn't be too bad to run around and get all what we need. So, it also reset the camera movement. That's weird. But yeah, I already went ahead and just popped right in. No need to rewatch the intro or anything like that. We have seen it already. That being said, this playthrough will probably be quicker than the previous one. Just because we have everything. So I will say that Ratchet and Clank 1 is a bit different in the remake aspect of it, because it doesn't follow the same kind of rules as the other ones do. Which, I mean, that was always obvious, playing the game through the beginning like we had. But what I mean is, when you play a Ratchet and Clank game, on most occasions, when you get into the challenge mode, what challenge mode is/does is it gives you a bolt multiplier, and it also gives you, well, it lets you keep all your stuff. But since your weapons in this one do not actually upgrade, it means you won't be doing any extra damage. Whereas most of them have the upgradable system, and there are... Oh, we kept the R.Y.N.O. Might as well use it. No reason not to make this quicker than it has to. But yeah, there's usually an upgrade system, and it usually makes things go by even quicker. However, in this one, since there isn't an upgrade system, your weapons don't get stronger. You're gonna be it's gonna feel like you're lagging behind. We can just skip it by pressing start. I didn't skip the intro the last time. I had just sat there and watched it, so that way we wouldn't have to sit through it. But if we can skip it, why wouldn't we? Alright. There's a ton of things to do. Oh, you know what? There is a Gadgetron vendor, so... Let me
I got
look
some
and
great
see.
bargains for you today.
I don't know how to do it. So, supposed to be... Maybe not in this one. Maybe it's that far back. I thought that in this one of the big things about it was you got the golden bolts. And the golden bolts, although not making your weapons stronger, if you went and got them all and you could upgrade your weapons, then your weapons would be golden. Maybe this is just too far back for that. It's entirely possible. But that means there shouldn't be a golden bolt up here. Uh-oh. And I'm unsure as to how long I'll be streaming today, because we are in fact aiming for the platinum still. I wouldn't say it's an issue necessarily, but ooh, uh-oh. Oh, that's gonna take us all the way back, right? Well, that sucks. I forgot I don't have all the heli pack and stuff that I used to, and I tried to do a long jump over the piece. But yeah, I thought, really, I thought that we could upgrade it into the gold weapons, which it doesn't actually have a benefit since the weapons don't upgrade. But in normal games, the gold weapon would be like a limit break on your weapon, and you can level it back up to 10 again and make them even stronger than before. Can't quite do that in this game, but that's fine. It makes the trip a little bit shorter. Alright, look around. The game is quite laggy this morning. Considering everything, that's just a little surprising to me. There are things that we don't get to keep. So, we don't have the O2 mask. And we don't have the swing shot, the trespasser. Quite a few things that we just don't have. Actually, I think all the gadgets. I think we don't get to keep any of them. Yeah. Oh, we get the Gadgetron PDA. We get to keep that. That apparently is not considered to be main list item, which I guess kind of makes sense.
Dad blast it!
There we go. We can just skip everything now and not have to worry about it all. Like I said, that'll make the game much, much quicker. I think I'm gonna look into the gold weapon thing, because I think we should be able to do gold weapons. I can't think of a reason we wouldn't be able to. And that's the bigger problem for me. Alright, let me see. Oh, I got an itch on my eye. You know what? We could just do this. And this will just take them out. The R.Y.N.O will just search them out, find them, and it'll make my life easier for the playthrough. We do have the bolt magnet, so thanks for that. Means we don't have to get right up next to it all, but we don't even have that, do we? Yeah, the thing that makes us go speedy underwater. My hope is, now that we have the R.Y.N.O, it should be a cost saver. The stuff in the game does not really cost a whole lot, so. Can't skip little cutscenes like that, so that's good to know. Not that I was really expecting them to let me be able to. But yeah, I guess it's a good thing that we can't buy the gold weapons. I just mean because they are usually very costly, which is why they give you the bolt multiplier. That being said, I'm pretty sure when I was scrolling through before there was an achievement for it, but until I see it, I can't say one way or the other. And it does feel like there might be a whole, okay.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt.
We can still skip these.
Do you know what this means?
But yeah, it looks like we are getting more, bolts than normal. So maybe, just maybe it's okay. When I take off to the next planet, I will look up and see about the gold bolt thing. Where is the pad back? Well, I guess I should grab these while I'm here. Every little bit of money is gonna matter. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it just wasn't there. I wonder if I should go ahead and just max myself out on ammo. Might just be a better idea.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Maxed out. That's not. That's maxed out. That's maxed out. That'll max that out.
That's a real beauty.
I won't buy the ammo for the R.Y.N.O because I want to see if I can get the ammo from the crate.
That's a real beauty.
And then straight to Iridia. Yeah, blast off. I apparently don't know what I'm looking for. But apparently there are gold weapons. But I have to find a secret room on the Gemlik base. That's a little bits away, so we'll just keep it moving for the moment. No, that didn't give me any R.Y.N.O ammo. Let's see, I don't remember which way Skid McMark was. Oh, right, no. There was definitely a one or left or right way to go. Was it just behind the pad? Yeah, it's just behind the pad. Okay. It's crazy how much you forget even though you just played the game. Right, destroy the sand sharks. Yeah, it's not looking like we will be able to get ammo for the Rhino from crates. Which, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Mostly because there's no reason to do it. We can just buy it. They're all pretty cheap. I was just hoping that we wouldn't have to. Okay, there's more than that. Come on now. Yeah, I feel like we might be getting a little more money than normal. Kind of hard to tell. I will say in the other games, and maybe that's why, but in the other games they use a visual button, and the button just tells you what the multiplier is at. Which, yeah, I'd much prefer that to not knowing. But it should be. Let's see, where's my Rhino? Oh, right, it costs double when you buy it away from the vendor. So it's only 20, but then even then as 50. That's not that bad. Not the right thing. Alright, that was all of them. Yeah, there may or may not be a time where I have to stop streaming to grind up for the bolts. Which, there are ways of getting bolts in this game. But, well, yeah. Was that not all of them? Thought that was all of them. I didn't see any more. Hey. Hey. Oh, there's one left? Why didn't I see that before? Okay, well, let's comb through the areas again. Well, he's not here. I wonder. No? I was thinking maybe he glitched in through the wall. That off, and usually the missiles will home into an enemy. Did the game bug out? Unless I'm missing one from over here, which... Oh, I am. There he is. Alright, that's the hoverboard. Gadgeteer. Wait a second, huh? Huh? Hold on, we should look at these achievements while we have the chance. Oh, right, it does some weird stuff. Gadgeteer, that makes me think I just got all the gadgets. But I already had all the gadgets. Alright. All 10 gold weapons, so that is a thing. Obtain the Rhino. We didn't actually buy it. Collect 1 million bolts. That's probably going to end up happening off screen. I'm not going to lie to you guys. The Ultra Nanotech. I think that's the only ones left. Yeah. Which, I mean, that's perfectly fine, you know. So the only things that we really have to focus on are the money. We just need money. We're gonna need a lot of money. Because like I said, we didn't actually buy the R.Y.N.O. And we are missing that ultra nanotech. But that's fine. Shouldn't be too bad. Uh-oh. Unless I do this. It feels like the R.Y.N.O. takes out all the enemies in one shot. Makes me wonder how it's gonna do against the boss. It's been so long since I've played the original Ratchet and Clank that I am quite interested to see how this R.Y.N.O. functions versus the other R.Y.N.O. Because no, all R.Y.N.Os are not the same. They are all very powerful, but they are not all the same. I can't even remember which one it is. I have a favorite R.Y.N.O, but I just don't remember what R.Y.N.O it is. I would say this R.Y.N.O isn't bad. He's just not my favorite either. Yeah, I think my favorite was definitely in the later games. I think one's released for the PS3. We'll have to see.
No signal.
Alright. We got here. Talked to that guy. Now we can move along. I said he can, but I still didn't really figure out the cheat code thing. There were some cheat codes that were based on excuse me, on the menu, and then there was some things that were based on doing things in game. Okay. Let's just start off. You know what? No, let's not do that. I was gonna jump off and get the secret area below us, but
Welcome.
Excuse me, Captain.
he said it's time to parkour again. I don't like sticking around for bombs. No, just break these up. Alright, you gotta actually be patient. You know, this is so much easier once you actually have the helipack upgrade, but yeah, it's fine. I need to check up and see But I think Ratchet and Clank Going Commando is next. Uh-oh. Well, that was just rude, now wasn't. I'm about to say, he didn't grab onto the ledge like I expected him to.
Listen up, you loud balls! That was the most pathetic display I have ever...
We can skip that. Alright, where's the return? Oh, wait, we have to actually use the swing shot for this. They equipped that already, right? Yeah. Although we're gonna have to reorganize our quick select. That's unfortunate, but alright. Making our way downtown. Oh, I still have the swing shot equipped again. Back to that whole wishing the game had like a slowdown time for the... Oh wow. Slowdown time when you switch weapons. It made it that much harder when you were trying to do it. I wouldn't say legitly, but in the middle of like a boss or something. Look at that, it sniped the hell out of that guy. Whee! Look at that, we've already made it all the way to Big Al's Robo Shack.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Natch, since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
Oh yeah, we should probably buy that, huh?
Hey, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait! Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
Oh, right. Now that we have the helipack, it's up we go. And just go further up. I like how you can actually use that one while you're not floating. You thought. Well, the textures didn't load in immediately for that. That's quite interesting. So everything that I'm reading says that there is no bolt multiplier, which I kind of figured, since it doesn't. Most of the other games have like tell you what the multiplier is, but at the same time, I just feel like I'm getting bolts quicker. Maybe it's just because I'm going through it quicker. But yeah, unfortunately, there is no telling how long this stream will last. I was gonna say, you gonna let me play now? Thank you. My plan, I think my plan will be to at least get to, or at least through the game. Well, someone died. I was trying to blow up the crates. Oh yeah, he died. Guy with the mines. Ah, yes.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous.
Yeah. Let's see, is there anything specific in Eudora that we need? Yes, we need the, what is that thing called? The Trespasser. Doesn't feel right. Where are we? Wait, is this the end of the level? Yeah, I think it took me backwards. Thought that was supposed to take me to... I thought that was supposed to take me back to the start of the level. Or was that the start of the level and I thought I was at Bob's Robo Shack? Yeah, I was at the start of the Robo Track. Okay, that's on me. Wonder if... No, probably not. I was about to say, I wonder if I can hit these guys. Oh, I can. Yeah, it's fine. There's no point. They gave like 4 or 5 bolts. Back to the ship.